complete guide to the River Inn app. Welcome to the River Inn and our new app to make it easy to place your order and settle your bill with complete confidence of an excellent dining experience. There are 6 easy steps. Contact information. To comply with government policy, please enter your name and phone number. If you're ordering on behalf of multiple people, please enter the names and phone numbers of each of those individuals at your table. The app will automatically record your check-in time. At this point, you can also opt in to marketing texts. Ask for help anytime. You can ask for help anytime by clicking the Help button to receive a call from a staff member. Alternatively, you can choose to call the number provided while seated at your table. Select order type. You have the choice of 3 types of order. First, takeaway. You'll receive a text with where to pick up your order once it's ready, while you wait in our comfortable, socially distanced welcome area. Second, contactless dining. You place your order using your phone at the River Inn, you're kept informed with text messages, and collect your drinks and meals from the counter. Last but not least, dine in with table service. You place your order with your phone and a staff member brings your food and drinks to your table. Browse the menu, select items and place your order digitally. Once you have perused the menu, you can add to your current order. Plus, our tab facility allows you to place multiple orders throughout the day or evening. When you're ready to check out, simply click the checkout button to settle your bill. For extra peace of mind, you'll be asked to enter any food intolerances that you may have. Checkout. You can choose to pay immediately with a card or pay later by opening a tab. Once you've completed your order, you'll be navigated back to the menus page where you can place another order if you wish.